Hi, this is Dollar Day Trader, my trading recap for Thursday, February 13th, 2020. All right, so I traded a couple stocks today, CSCO and Tesla. Mostly going to focus on CSCO. That's who I traded most of my shares with. I'd say slight over trading, but for the most part, good trades. And I'll kind of go over them right now. So starting off, we see on the daily chart, the stock had gapped down. It was around about $50, just below $50 the day before, and then we see a gap down all the way to around $47. So that was a good gap with volume, and then the catalyst being the earnings. So that was pretty good for a stock and play, all else stated. And then here in the beginning, I was kind of messing with small share size, and I need to learn not to trade in the first 2 minutes because this was just guessing at this point, or I wasn't 100% confident in my pre-market reads. So saw a lot of volume in, took a few longs and got out. I thought it with these long wicks it was going to bounce up, but you see all the support here. So I was little naive in a sense that it was going to take a lot of volume to really get through VWAP, moving averages, and 50-day moving average. So took a few longs and stopped out here. So that was decent risk management. Wasn't finally until I have these about 4 boxes here that I actually finally realized, okay, let the market tell you what's going on here. So once again, I see this long wick and I see rejection. See it kind of tilting sideways here, VWAP and moving averages. So I take some short positions here around 47.14, 47.09. I cover around 46.94, 46.91. I see a little pullback. I was good for the continuation here of continuing to go short. So I went short at 46.91, 46.84 and covered at 46.79, 46.73. Covered, then kind of about break even there. Once again, short biased. So I'm kind of doing a little bit of over trading, but I am reading the market and I'm feeling comfortable that's respecting this 9-day moving average as we're kind of like here trading along with the trend. Took a short at 46.86 and covered all the way down to like 46.61. So that was a decent move. Pretty nice tight bid-ask spread amongst the price. Made for pretty decent price action. You're not going to get a huge move. Like this is one of the bigger candle drops here from 46.78 to 46.61, which is decent, but it's nothing like we've seen in some of the other volatile stocks, especially I've traded this week. Here, I was still biased. I took short, added my position. So this is a pretty bad trade here. And then I just covered. So I took some bad positions, and I never like to double down unless I'm, ahead of it. And let's say I've got some gains and then kind of okay, let's add more shares. But this was not good trading here. So good trading, not good trading. And then here, lastly, I took some longs here at 46.74, then again around 46.70, and I saw this nice tight consolidation here. So I'm waiting. I thought it was going to break up, but you never know. It could just dump down, but I was prepared. I just liked how it's kind of touching this area here around 46.67. So, and then we get the pop up here, 46.81 all the way up to about 47.05. So that was probably the best trade of the day there. So that was CSCO. And then looking at Tesla, I should have just focused on one stock because here I definitely missed a big opportunity. I went long around 754.11, stopped out at 750, small share size. Then I saw it was holding these moving averages, had a long bias. I bought at 751, let's say, 751.42, and then covered all the way up to 758.53. But look at this. I missed some. That's why I'm kind of like, okay, I should just focus on Tesla today. It went all the way up. $7.84, so $30+ move. Let's see here, all the way up to $8.17. So yeah, and of course I wouldn't be able to trade at this long. I trade part-time, so I got a full-time job. But yeah, no FOMO though. I mean, I liked overall. I thought I even trade Tesla, the little A few times I did get into it. I think I traded pretty well from a risk management perspective, and I just switched over to Costco, so I didn't let this one run. It would have been a nice gain there. So anyway, that was those were the two stocks I traded. And really fast, looking at Costco, another good confirmation here. Let's see if we see anything in the pre-market. We do see some candles kind of respecting these moving averages and VWAP. And then we see this dump off right before the open around 925. So it kind of led to some potential short bias, but I was kind of rushing it, so I didn't really analyze the pre-market like I would like to have. So hope everyone had a good day and a green day. And we have one more trading day tomorrow. I don't know if I'll be able to trade the open, so I may trade a little bit later. So we'll see how that goes. And hope everyone has a nice long Valentine's Day weekend. So if you have a partner, maybe have a good time. Don't think about trading, and just have a good weekend. And then I believe the market, it'll be closed for President's Day next Monday. So that's kind of stinks. Definitely love trading, but some time off. Maybe take the time to reflect on trades, review. If you have playbooks, setups, how you performed this past week. It's a good time to reflect and review. And always get better. That's the time we're not in the market. It's great. It's great live trading. That's where you learn and hone your craft. But you have to do both. I feel like you have to watch videos, read books, study your own patterns, study your mistakes, your successes, and try to hone your skill set, whatever that may be. So hope everyone has a good night, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.